The day 2 phase refers to the set of tasks that are performed on an application that is already operating. For example, the application may have to be upgraded to a new version with zero downtime for users. Or there may be a need to expand the deployment of the application to additional locations. For upgrades within a specific cluster, customers can leverage a rolling upgrade strategy. This ensures that container replicas are incrementally updated with new ones one at a time. Readiness probes can be configured to ensure that newly created replicas are healthy and ready to take on requests before the previous ones are terminated. If upgrades is unsuccessful, the application can be automatically rolled back to the previous version. For multi-cluster application deployments, the Rafay platform will limit the blast radius by upgrading a canary cluster before upgrading the remaining clusters. Customers can optionally select a canary cluster as well. In addition to upgrades, customers can also expand their application deployment to additional clusters in seconds with zero application downtime. Once the application is operational in the new cluster location, the Rafay platform automatically configures DNS to ensure that users in that region are steered to the new cluster.